Every clean energy revolution begins inside factories, where engineering meets innovation.
Each turbine starts with carefully selected, high-strength steel built to withstand decades of harsh weather.
Advanced robotic welding creates tower sections with remarkable strength and precision. Every connection is machined to microscopic accuracy for maximum structural integrity.
Make sure it's tight.
Lightweight composite materials allow turbine blades to capture maximum wind energy.
Every blade undergoes extensive finishing and quality inspection before leaving the factory.
The nacelle houses the sophisticated systems that transform wind into electricity. Moving these enormous components requires careful planning and specialized logistics.
From raw steel to renewable power, every wind turbine stands as a symbol of engineering excellence and a cleaner future.